Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the ninth question in exercise 5.1. If y is equal to root of x plus and the root of x plus keeps going, prove that 2y minus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 1. First, let's write down that function. So y is equal to root of x plus, again a root of x plus, again a root of x plus, and it keeps going up till infinity. So first let's rewrite this particular function. We can do this as y is equal to root of x plus. Now this function looks like another y, right? Because it keeps going up to infinity. So I can simply write that y is equal to square root of x plus y. Now I'm also going to simplify this and write as x plus y the whole power half. Now let's compute the dy by dx. So this is left side, if you differentiate, it is dy by dx. Right side, it is going to be half into x plus y the whole power minus half. And then I'm going to differentiate x plus y. So this is 1 plus dy by dx. So here we are using chain rule here. So that's how this is differentiated. Now let's rewrite this. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into root of x plus y. Here this is 1 plus dy by dx. I'm going to multiply this term by. So this is going to be 1 by 2 into root of x plus y plus 1 by 2 into root of x plus y dy by dx. This whole expression is equal to dy by dx. So I'm going to collect all the dy by dx terms to the left side. So let's reorganize this. So dy by dx minus of 1 by 2 into root of x plus y dy by dx is equal to simply 1 by 2 into root of x plus y. So I'm taking the dy by dx outside. So dy by dx into 1 minus 1 by 2 root of x plus y is equal to 1 by 2 into root of x plus y. The left side I'm going to take LCM and simplify. So this is dy by dx into 2 into root of y plus x minus 1 divided by 2 into root of x plus y. The whole thing by 1 into 1 by 2 into root of x plus y. The next step, I'm simply going to take out this function that sits along with dy by x into the right side. So this is dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into root of x plus y. This will go to the numerator. So into 2 into x plus root of x plus y, the whole thing divided by 2 into root of x plus y minus 1. I can simply strike that out. So this is 1 divided by 2 into root of x plus y minus 1. This is dy by dx. Now we know that root of x plus y is y. So I'm rewriting this as 1 divided by 2y minus 1 is dy by dx. I'm going to take this 2y minus 1 to the left side because that's how we're going to prove it. So 2y minus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 1, and that's what we proved. So hence proved. In the next video, we will see how to solve the first question in exercise 5.2.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.